Let's get straight to the point. The big question: does Iran have the bomb? Short answer: no, not yet. They don't have an assembled weapon, but they are one step away. According to the UN, they are already enriching uranium to 84%, close to the 90% needed for a bomb. The regime denies it, but the world suspects they want to be an atomic power. And here comes the great paradox. Israel attacks Iran using its nuclear program as an excuse, but it has a secret arsenal. It is estimated that it has about 90 nuclear warheads in Dimona. They never confess it. It is their famous ambiguity. Their speech is, "I already have my life insurance, but you cannot have it," a double standard the West tolerates. In the nuclear club, there are 9 members. The usual ones: USA with over 5,000 warheads, and Russia with another 5,000 NATO allies. United Kingdom and France, they have theirs, they don't share. The Asians, China, India, Pakistan, and the 2 secrets, Israel, which did not sign the treaty, and North Korea, completing the 9. And why in Europe do some have and others do not? Because of a Cold War pact. France and the UK were already powers. The rest, like Spain or Germany, signed the Non-Proliferation Treaty. They gave up having them in exchange for protection, or having bases with US weapons on their soil. There is no joint European program because some relied on their security on some and others on others. And now, the elephant in the room: China. What does it have? It has 600 warheads, and it's going like a shot. It's increasing them by 100 every year. By 2030 they can reach 1,000. But what's most disturbing is its bet on the latest technology: robots. Its military laboratories are creating drone swarms that act like hawks or wolves, coordinated by AI capable of attacking without human communication. Are they going to attack? Not tomorrow. But they are making an army of robots and missiles to deter the US, and, in passing, be able to surround Taiwan without putting their own soldiers at risk. It's not that they want war, it's that they want to win it without breaking a sweat. In summary, some have the bomb and hide it, others want it, and China is playing in another league, that of algorithmic warfare. The world is not only changing, it is becoming more silent and automatic.